This is the automatic chain oiler which I just designed and fitted. So this is the first initial test. See, I see air in the lines. Slowly going through to the chain, and here there's a valve. I've done some jugaad and fitted a small valve here. So let's see, wait and watch. I can also control the flow by using this valve. See, oil has come to the valve. Let's see if it passes through the valve. Yes, it does pass through the valve. And I think I have to control the flow now. See, the flow has reduced now. It has stopped now. This is the stop position. So if I again open the valve, it starts. There's quite a good amount of air in the line. That doesn't matter. Air bubble should not be there in brake lines, but air bubble in oil, especially in chain oiler, is fine. So I have just shut off the valve and I'll start the bike. Put it into gear. So this will work through the principle of capillary action. Moment of truth. Yes, it's going on the chain. I need to adjust the dispensers here. So I just reduce the flow and see it's working. Shut off the valve and let the oil in this tube after the valve empty up automatically due to gravity. So that will keep my chain well oiled. So the main thing is you have to just turn on the cock for some time and then turn it off within a minute. It will keep lubing the chain. The oil lube has stopped because of stop, but it's still flowing in very tiny amounts. So this is what I want. The chain should be lube always. turn on the valve a little, very little. Yeah, it started coming again. So I need not press. What I was hoping before is I thought I need to press to release the oil, but it's not needed. It's coming on its own due to gravity. That all depends on how you lay the pipeline. So my pipeline is laid in an angle of about 45 degrees. See here, from behind the tank, and this is the reservoir. This is a DIY reservoir, nothing special. I made this from an old sewing machine oil dispenser can. I'll show you which one. I made this from this one. I took the cap off, inserted the coupling inside. I shopped a little bit and I went the extra mile to find these brass couplings which fitted this by fluke.